Hi guys, this is Ankit. I'm going to give a quick demo to show how Getdown can be used instead of WebStart. So here we have the game maker from assignment 6 team 4. All I've done is I've added the getdown.txt. I've converted the project into Maven, and I've edited the pom.xml to contain the dependencies needed for the Getdown. So here you can see that I'm copying the getdown.txt file from resources folder to the target directory. This is needed because it contains the important attributes or features needed to run the getdown. And here we need the plugin from the Maven Central that creates the digest.txt required for getdown. So I'm going to explain both of these files in a little bit. Let's build the game first. Build is successful. We have a target folder. Now it created a jar file with dependencies, digest.txt, and a getdown. So the getdown, same as from the resources, it contains the URL where the client jar is hosted. Others are not as important, but there's a lot of things that can be added to Getdown. This is like a basic version. It can contain the version and the background that you want for your UI and stuff like that. But like I said, this is the basic version. And the digest contains the hash codes that are generated for the getdown, the digest, and the dependencies executable jar. This is basically so that when the client is downloading the jar and it doesn't match, it won't run it, or if it's corrupted while downloading it, it knows that it needs to fetch it again. And since this is just a demo, I'm gonna assume that my target is my client folder, and I have a getdown.jar from Maven Central that I'm going to execute over this folder to see how it works. So as you can see here, it tried to fetch the dependencies jar and using the getdown.txt and tested it against digest, and since we already have it downloaded, it just executed it. So now you can see that we have a fully functional game maker. Thank you for watching.